people, you're welcome. Today we are making rich, creamy and delicious Tigernut. So in this channel we make a lot of Nigerian recipes and more. So subscribe and become part of our family. We'll start by picking out or sorting out any stones or debris from our Tigernut. This ensures our drink is smooth and stone free. These are the stones and debris I sorted out. So now let's wash these Tigernuts thoroughly and soak them in water for 3 days. This will help to soften the Tigernut and make them easier to blend. See how dirty the water is? Please always make sure you wash your Tigernut before you soak them. So I will add enough water that will cover it and then cover it with the lid and keep it in the fridge for it to become soft for 3 days so that our blender can easily blend it smoothly. I will also be using some dried dates. Dates is a natural sweetener to sweeten our drink, so I'll add enough water and also keep it in the fridge for it to become soft and easy to remove the seed. I'll also be using some pearl millet. This packed with a lot of health nutrient. I will be adding enough hot water to soak it. The hot water will help to neutralize the natural enzyme, making it easier to digest. This is after 3 days. The Tigernut has become soft and easy for our blender to blend, and the pearl millet is also soft, and the date has become soft as well. So I'm going to give the Tigernut a good rinse and then keep it aside to blend later. So now the date has become very soft and easy to remove the seed. So we just open it and remove the seed. Your blender cannot blend the seed because the seed is quite tough or hard. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll make sure I list all of them in the description box for you to see. I'll also be adding some coconut. I love to grate the back of the coconut to peel it off. This method will add a nice creamy and rich texture or flavor to the drink. So now let's add all our ingredients to the blender. We'll start with the soaked Tigernut. Next is the soaked pearl millet. It adds delicious rich creaminess to the drink. Next is to add the grated coconut. This will add nice flavor to this drink. And I'll also add some chopped sweet potato. This will add extra creaminess and nutrition to this drink. I will also add some chopped ginger. This will add nice spicy and digestive benefit to this drink. Next, I will add the date. The date adds extra sweetness to this drink. Next is the clove. This will add a nice warm and inflammatory benefit to our drink. I will also add a few bananas. This will add natural sweetness and extra creaminess to this drink. Then finally is to add ice cube and a cold water and blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. I'm going to add a few ice cubes to a bowl before pouring the blended Tigernut into the bowl. This will help to chill and thicken the drink and prevent it from going bad easily. Now is to strain our Tigernut mixture to remove the pulp. This Tigernut drink is a good source of plant protein. It's good for vegans and vegetarians. This Tigernut drink also contains antioxidants that can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. This drink is healthy for your skin. It also supports digestive health. This drink is rich in vitamins. This Tigernut drink is rich, creamy, and delicious, and also a healthy way to support our overall health and well-being. So enjoy, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.